I don't think I'm anywhere close to Sushant.
मैं जितने बार देख रही हूँ मुझे वही दिख रहा है.
He would be there for me in ways that I didn't even realize.
I would like to celebrate his contribution to cinema, to Hindi cinema. At the age of 34, you tell me who has contributed a great deal like him. Such a brilliant mind. I don't think I'm anywhere close to Sushant in terms of his brilliance. You know, in terms of his intelligence, it's a learning thing.
Let him just rest in peace. That's the least we can give him now. I think to speculate is, in my personal opinion, is very disrespectful.
Sushant knew that I was carrying the weight of this film a little more from a performance perspective, so he would be there for me in ways that I didn't even realize. He would be able to tell I'm nervous, take my hand, drag me out of set, put a earplug into my ears, put on Taregin or something, and just talk me out of things, just talk me into things. Also make me understand कि अपनी energy conserve कर. Only someone who genuinely loves and cares for you will do. He doesn't have to. He's a superstar. He can come, do his job. He's anyway a master of his craft, and just leave. But it was just so much more than that. And I thought I've got this person for life.
वो ट्रस्ट जो है, मुझे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस है मेरा बूस्ट हुआ. तो आई थिंक एक वो जो ट्रस्ट होता है, जो उसने ट्रस्ट दिया मुझे, वो उससे बड़ा ट्रस्ट मुझे लगता नहीं कोई शहर में किसी को देता होगा. कि मैंने उसके पहले फिल्म को मुझे किसी ने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइन बोली कि आपने उसको एज एन एक्टर एक फिल्म में लॉन्च किया, उसने आपको डायरेक्टर लॉन्च कर दिया. पूरा सर्कल ऐसा कंप्लीट करके, वो ऐसा लगता है लाइफ का सर्कल कंप्लीट करके गया. इसके ब्लेसिंग्स हैं जो शायद ये सब होता है.
मैं जितने बार देख रही हूँ मुझे वही दिख रहा है कि उसकी जिंदगी. एंड आई फेल्ट दैट ही वाज अ वेरी इमोशनल, सेंसिटिव, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गाय. एंड नाउ आई वॉच हिज इंटरव्यूज एंड अ फिनोमिनल एक्टर. काय पो ची जब उसकी पहली फिल्म निकली थी, आई वाज सो ब्लोन ओवर बाय हिज एक्टिंग. सो आई फील ऑफ कोर्स दिस song, this film now will never be seen in the same way. It is forever. It has been. It's become a milestone. In fact, as not just a film but a celebration of a person's life.
I'd never spoken to him at length. I'd never shared a conversation with him. Only thing I had heard from him and felt from him was his hug when he met me in Dubai, and him telling me a few words that, "Guy, you just sang the best songs of my life."
I didn't know him very well, but what I always knew of him and from his work is he was very much in his artistry and was very passionate about his work. And it's very unfortunate that what happened, but I think in the overview of everything, even when I saw the trailer, I was happy to see that he came in with a passion and artistry, and he's left us with that.
I ended up buying a sports bike because he promised that we would go on rides one day, because he kind of pumped me up and said कि life में जो मन करे ना वो कर लेना चाहिए. ले डालो.
Kai Po is like the turning point in my life. And the way we were, all three of us, Raj, Sushant and me, we were at our purest. And whatever I have felt as an actor filming that, I have never felt that again. And I know I will never feel that again. And Sushant is a big part of that feeling. And we all started together, so that makes it more special. And I love the art. I think he's left a legacy.
Sushant has, like I'm always mentioned, he had opened gates for young talents like Radhika Madan and Moni and many others. So he was our leader, and we really thought that we were like an army, and which we are.
A guy like him with such a bright mind, I don't think many actors have that kind of mindset. He was extremely bright. He was intelligent. Most actors are really self-obsessed, and I'm saying it as an actor. They see nothing beyond themselves. This guy was not like that. He was way beyond just films. And if people are speculating that he was depressed or he was upset about certain facets of society or the film industry people, and that caused him to take this step, it's almost disbelief. It's like you're telling me something that I cannot imagine.
It's disappointing that a life has passed just like that. There was so much more that the man could do.
ऐसा टाइम होता वो मेरे फ्रेंड होते तो मैं शायद उनको रोक लेती. मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे सवाल आते हैं माइंड में.
For somebody who had such a bright future and somebody so talented, somebody so young, and who had this beautiful genuine smile, it just felt like, you know, like he had so much more to offer to the world and to experience so much more.
Basically उनके जो अच्छे काम हैं, like जो मतलब MS धोनी में उन्होंने जो किया और जिस तरह का काम उन्होंने अपनी फिल्मों में किया, टाइप में किया MS धोनी ने, एंड जो उनका अच्छा काम है सोच रही है, उनके काम से मैं उन्हें याद रखना चाहता हूँ.
Look at the number of films and the quality of work, and from where he started to where he was, it is probably every newcomer's dream